Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel with Valentina, Chirico, the beauty archaeologist. Another month is gone, thank God, because June has been really stressful and so hot, so my mind really melted. So I'm back with June Birchbox review. I know it's one of those reviews that is not really popular on my channel, but I really think they are quite interesting because even though you don't have a subscription with Birchbox, you may find in my reviews some products that spark your interest. So shall we see what's inside? Back again. So the title of this box was All Bodies Are Good Bodies. So of all of this, the only full size product was this nude lipstick by MCo Beauty, but I want to start from this shower product. So Aquahero is a new brand for me. This is the second time I'm using it, so I'm not really fully familiar, but it was a nice try. So this is a gommage for your body, so a body scrub, and the key ingredient here was marine salt, produced in Gran in France. Then other ingredients, there are 99% of natural ingredients. I'm going to read for you. This marine salt, then aqua, glycerin, aloe leaf juice, argan, xanthan gum, then what else, honey extract, lactic acid. I'm not really reading all of them, of course. So the scent reminds me of the sea, so it's fresh, ozonic, aquatic, but I can also feel like a faint sweet scent. So probably it's the idea this honey extract, or probably the aloe vera, but it's really a pinch, probably you won't feel it. It's kind of an effective scrub, but please, after this, use always something to moisturize quickly your body. So it could be either a butter, a lotion, an oil, whatever, but it's really important because otherwise your skin will dry up again, so then there's no point. If you could see, probably the color may reminds you of something very popular like Lush Rub Rub Rub. This is another favorite of mine. I used it back in Italy, so before 2017, but the texture and the formula and also the how they work is a little bit different, although they are always scrub. So it's very runny and smooth blue. So here too there's fine salt, really fine marine salt, but we have also two tensioactive which lift and remove the dirt, so it's also a sort of cleanser. Here the salt really met quickly, so I find the Aquahero scrub more effective, but still more gentle than this cleanser and scrub by Dr. Botanicals, which was the cocoa and coconut cleansing bar, because you can see there are some particles here and they are kind of strong and rough on your skin. So this was a really nice idea. So also for skin that tend to be a little bit sensitive, this is kind of a nice product. I'm done. Then I want to talk about the brand discovery for me. So it's the Ultrasun Face SPF 30. This is both anti-aging product and SPF, so if you're looking for treatments, this is the right product for you. So in fact it contains ectoin, which is an enzyme to prevent UVA induced premature photo aging, and this is the kind of SPF that I'm looking. It's the dreaming product for me because the texture is really smooth, fluid, it absorbs quickly, is light, and it does not leave the white cast that I really hate. So it reminds me a little bit of this Dia Class protector. This is the soft airy UV essence, pretty similar also as a texture, so I'm really impressed. And this is also against blue light, which is your enemy when you are in front of screen, and I guess many of you spend lots of time in front of screen. So this is a very good product. Nice choice. Then the next product is the full size product, this everyday lipstick by MCo Beauty. This is an hydrating lipstick in this basic ballet shape, and this is a pink nude, so something that you can use in many ways, many times of the day. For example, you can use with a lip liner. For example, here I use a darker one, so it creates a sort of late 90s 2000 vibes. So I use the Bodyography Timber lip pencil, which was in a past Birchbox, and I think they may go well if you want a strong line outside. If you want something very, very defined, so, and something a little bit dramatic, so that would be a nice one. It says it's ultra creamy lipstick, ticks all the boxes, and it's the perfect pinky nude lipstick for a luxurious your lips but better looks. So yeah, I can say is that, but it's hydrating, but not as much, because your lips must be very, very smooth, otherwise it would just sit on the top of your lips and just move around like all those creamy and moisturizing lipstick. It tends to move a lot. This is why I also use this lip liner. The texture reminds me a little bit of the Holland Neon Wine Me and the If lipstick by We Makeup. If you check my Instagram, you will find this as well. This moves a little bit less than the other two, but still it tends to move around. It's such a funny lipstick, but it's very, very wearable, and this is what I like about it. Then we have the Morning Street conditioner with Argan and Marula oil for all skin type, and this is the second time that I received this. We could choose between a conditioner and shampoo, but there's not such a difference because my skin are treated, so I can't really use something that is for all hair type, but who tells me that it's good also for color and colorful hair. So I asked the team if there was any chance to have another trial size, but they said no. So I have a double that I can't use. I'm not going to use it for now, so not really brilliant idea to pass something that was already in a previous recent box, so you're losing points. So the last product is for your skin, and it's perfect for summer. It's a facial mist. This is the Naobay Equalize with hemp, cucumber and hyaluronic acid. It's called Recharge Splash facial mist. So this is perfect if you need a little bit of freshness during the day, or if you want to make your skincare routine a little bit simple, so you can use this instead of your toner, for example. I like the fact that it's got hyaluronic acid, so it keeps my skin hydrated and plump, but facial mist really freak me out. I'm always scared to spray on my eyes, honestly, so I use it on a cotton pad, but this makes it lose the freshness, unfortunately. But it's a really cool product. I really love this kind of fresh toner, let's say, during summertime, and the scent is quite fresh and with a hint of sweetness. I think it's the cucumber, because years ago I had some cucumber skincare products and they had the same smell. So this could be for you if you want to make skincare simple or you need something really, really fresh. Enjoy. Okay, in terms of products, I found some really good ones. For example, the Aqua Hero Gommage, and especially the Ultra Sun SPF. This is my favorite. I wish it was bigger because this is a really great one. The lipstick is something that I can find everywhere because it's a nude product that I can find somewhere else, but still something that I can use. It moves too much on my lips actually, and probably doesn't last that long, like roughly 3.5, and then it starts to fade on my lips. I like the scent. I forgot to tell you, this is something juicy and fruity. It's like probably peach. I'm not pretty sure, but it's fruity. I'm not really happy with the choice. Taking again a product that I found yes, months ago, it's not really a good idea, so this, fortunately, it was a really great idea. I will use this with the cotton pen, so it's not going to be really the same. So as a product discovery is pretty decent. I see things that I can keep using. As brand discovery, I'm happy because I found Ultrasun, which is a really professional product, and I'm happy I tried again Aquahero and I found it really good so far. But I want to spend some time on the concept. So if you can see from the package, there are lots of females, every age, I think, every size. So this was like a sort of size inclusive box, and in concept it says infinite bodies, all in different shapes, sizes and colors, and all with one thing in common: each one is unique. That's why this month we encourage you to start working on accepting yourself, loving your body, and forgetting about all those external judgments. Take care of your body every day, because you only have one, and it is as unique as you are. So the last part, that's important, taking care of your body. It's your tempo in the end. But I'm not pretty sure that every size is a good size. I'm really sorry. This is really not really true, because let me talk to you about this. I'm sorry if I'm breaking up a little bit with my English, but I've been on both extreme of the size chart. So being XL and being XS is not good at all, because although those bodies can function, both sides of the scale really have problem. For example, if you are too big, you may have articulation problem, you can have respiratory problem, circulation problem, so many problems also concerning your posture, for example, and later on your heart and your bones, and again articulations. On the other side, if you are too thin, you stop having periods, so you stop being a female, your body starts to lose muscle fibers, so your muscle becomes always weaker, so you're going also to have problem with blood circulation. So there are so many problems. So it's not true that every size is a good size. It's not true. So, and I can talk to you by experience. I don't know if I'm going to talk about this again, but yeah, it's not true, and I can tell you because I lived both sides. It's not nice. But I can say that bodies are all the same, even if there's something non-functioning well, in the sense a missing limb, or like or a trauma causing body not to work well anymore. So on this side, yes, everybody is able to do anything a person wants. So even if a person has got an handicap, a physical handicap, they can do amazing things. So body positivity is positive if it's about, for example, age, or like how your body is in terms of functionality and completeness. But body positivity is not positive at all if we are talking about sizes. I'm really sorry. I mean, your intention, Birchbox, was really nice and really positive, but in the end, no. This is really easy to wave a flag and try to spread positive message, but you have to like do some more research and being a little bit strong about your statement. For example, June was Pride Month. You could have strengthening that, or like develop a little bit more your concept about body positivity. So no, not all sizes are good. All bodies are good, but not all sizes. I'm really sorry. I don't want to offend anyone, but I've been both XXL, XXS. It's not really good. So anyway, let's close this chapter. I really received July box today, so I'm going to discover this and dig around. So sorry guys, it wasn't easy at all. I mean, talking about this, and then it's so hot. I'm not used to summer anymore, and I'm struggling to think and do things and speaking. I'm struggling. So let's finally close this. So you can find myself on Instagram at Chirico, where you are more than welcome to pop and say hello and have a look around. You're going to find all the products that I show you today, also the comparisons in the description box below, also with what I'm wearing today. Thank God it's not melting so far. So if you want, join the conversation and leave a comment below. Please be nice, be positive somehow, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to make it grow a little bit more. So hope to see you again very soon. I will go and dig in that July box and then I will let you know how it's going to be. So thank you again for stopping by, and I wish you a nice new month. Bye.